Welcome to 17114 Ronald Avenue in Prairieville, located in the Willow Lake East Subdivision. This well-established neighborhood has a beautiful pond, which is within walking distance from this home. Another bonus of this Acadian home is it's just minutes from the Airline and the I-10 corridor. This home has a neutral paint palette with open floor plan. The living room offers wood laminate flooring with fireplace and an abundance of natural lighting. The kitchen eating area is large enough to have several guests over for a dinner party. The kitchen also offers ceramic tiling, oak cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a pantry and a snack bar. The master suite is nice in size with ample storage and has an attached master bathroom, also a walk-in closet. A large laundry area is located downstairs and has ample shelving for laundry and supplies. In the upstairs area there are two nice-sized bedrooms, both fully carpeted. There is also a full bathroom upstairs as well and a huge storage space between the rooms. The third bedroom in this home is just as large as the previous, fully carpeted and painted in a neutral color palette. The bonus to this room is it has access over the garage, and this is framed for a loft-style addition for a potential future project. Heading to the massive backyard is an oversized covered patio and fantastic rear yard. This is fenced for your total privacy. Great for outdoor entertaining with guests during a football game or enjoying a summer barbecue with friends or family. This home's location currently provides public schooling to Prairieville Primary, Prairieville Middle School and Dutchtown High School districts. As an added bonus, this home does not sit in a floodplain and does not require flood insurance. Call for your private showing today.